Happy Thursday. Today we're gonna do sort of a ballet style type of exercise, but I'm still gonna make you burn, so get ready for that. So make sure you have your chair handy if you need the balance, otherwise you can just do a freestyle. So to warm up, we're gonna bring our arms up straight like this, kind of parallel with your shoulders, and we're just gonna start by twisting from side to side, just bringing that leg up, and then alternating twists. We're gonna do this for 30 seconds. Bringing that knee up as high as you can to that 90-degree angle. And then bringing that elbow back at the same time. So you can feel that nice twist in the obliques. Keep going. You can speed it up if you want, or just go at your own pace. You're gonna do this for about 5 more seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. All right, for our first exercise, you can grab onto your chair if you'd like. You're gonna keep your feet straight. Put your hand on your waist here, bring your leg out, and then keeping the leg straight, we're gonna do circles forward, keeping that leg in the air. Gonna do this for 15 seconds forward, 15 seconds back. All right, and reverse it back, tracing those little circles with your toes. And if you want, you can stand straight and do it like this. All right, a few more seconds, and done. Now we're gonna get into those plie squats. So we're gonna put our feet more than hip width apart. We're gonna squat all the way down in the sitting position. We're gonna bring our arms up like a ballerina and down. Try to sit as low as you can, making sure that your back is straight and your knees stay behind the toes. Keep going. You can go fast or you can go slow. All right, for these next 10 seconds, we are gonna pulse. So get down low and pulse. Stay low, you got this. Keep going. Few more seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now we're gonna switch to the other side. I'm gonna attempt to balance here. So we're gonna put our leg up and circle forward. Keeping that leg straight. And if you are balancing on your own, just kind of imagine that your leg is a tree trunk rooted to the ground. Keep going. A couple more seconds and reverse. All right. Keeping that leg straight. You can bring it up a little higher if you need. And if you tip over a little, that's okay. Just keep going. All right. A few more seconds and done. We're gonna go back to those plie squats. Getting low and arms overhead and squat. And squat. And you can use a chair for this one too if you want to be a little bit more graceful. Keep going. All right guys, you know what's coming. I'm gonna make you pulse for 20 seconds. Stay low and pulse. Pulse. This one gets a little tough, but you can do it. All right. Only have 5 seconds left. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. All right. So for our stretching, put those legs together here. Bend down a little bit into a squat with knees together. Interlace arms in front of you. You're gonna pull them to the side. Opposite arm on opposite leg, just getting a nice stretch in the shoulders. You can straighten your legs if you would like a nice stretch in the legs as well. All right, we're gonna go up and we're gonna switch to the other side. Few more seconds. Take a couple deep breaths. All right. Inhale through the nose. Exhale through the mouth. All right, thanks for joining me today, guys.